As you all know, I love food and I'm always game to try something new. And when Travis Griffin came to the studio, you already know I was there front row. Let's check out that master chef as he hooked it up with some steak and shrimp. Today we're here with our good friend, Travis Griffin, and he is known as that master chef. Thank you for being with us on the show.
Hey, thank you.
So you are gonna hook us up today with some tasty meals. So Travis, tell us a little bit about what you do when you pull over and you're hungry and you hook yourself up.
Well, usually I'm in my cab, or if it's a nice sunny day, I'll set out my table and do exactly like this with my grill and then my fixings.
And you just hook it up.
Yes, I do.
So what are you gonna hook us up with today?
Well, today I was thinking about doing some ribeyes with shrimp. I take some of my favorite garlic butter,
Okay.
put it in my wok, just like this.
Garlic butter. I didn't even know they had it like that. But you know, I don't cook a lot.
And
Throw in your shrimp.
yeah, throwing some shrimp right now.
Okay. Stir it up some.
Stir it up some. Throw on some sweetened heat.
Okay. And now, how long does the steaks take?
The way I cook them, take about 10 minutes.
And is there a specific way to season your steak?
Like this Jane's Crazy. When you put the steak on the grill, it has to sizzle. If it doesn't sizzle, it's not gonna be right.
Now, is this a setup that you carry with you all the time?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
So what I can do now is juice from the lemon, seasoning just in case it didn't.
Ooh, just to make sure it got that flavor.
Right. Gonna take some black garlic.
I didn't even know there was such a thing.
Yeah.
So what is the garlic? What? I mean, obviously I know it gives it flavor,
There you
but okay.
So it's kind of sweet.
Okay.
I'm gonna open it up.
Oh, that's 1 clove of garlic.
Right.
Oh, I've been doing it wrong all this time. No wonder. Look at that. It is so soft. So you try to dice it down to
I'm
smaller
gonna dice it down.
pieces. Okay.
You have?
All right, so we turn it down a little
calm
bit.
down and simmer.
Okay. So now we have shrimp. It looks amazing. Then we have steak on the grill, and then we have steak on the skillet. And how long does it take to cook on here?
Same time as the grill. Don't want sweet heat on this one.
Okay.
So what I'll do is
Sprinkle that on there.
sprinkle this on here, and then
Everything tastes great with butter.
everything
Hello.
tastes great with butter.
If you don't use butter, you're missing out. Okay, but this is a garlic butter.
Yeah, garlic butter.
But I like to throw butter on everything.
Right. But you know what really would make that taste better?
What?
If I add some crab to it.
Okay, I like it seasoned. I know growing up, I had friends that would season it, and it was like really, really good. And I love onions, and I feel like onions give it like really, really good flavor.
Right.
It's Truck Boss approved. They want to go and check you out, follow you on your social media, but where could they find you?
That Master Chef Truckin' on Instagram, TikTok, let's see, in YouTube.